Hello everyone, this is Shweta Negi and welcome to you all my YouTube channel Experience the Maths. And today in this video we are going to solve 10th class Mathematics chapter 9 exercise 9.1 question number 13. And what the question number 13 says, as observed from the top of 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other ship of the other, the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Means in this question, first we will try to understand the question. We have a lighthouse and lighthouse is somewhere near the sea. The height of the lighthouse is 75 meter and there are two ships in the sea. Okay, and the position of ships are like this. They are exactly, one ship is exactly behind the other one, means that means they are in a straight line. Okay, from the top of the lighthouse, the angle of depression of these two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. So we have to calculate the distance between these two ships. Okay, so based on this information, first I have draw the diagram, and which is like this. So this is the lighthouse, this is sea. It is located nearby the sea. The height of the lighthouse 75-meter high. This is the top of lighthouse, and there are two ships in the sea which are exactly one behind other. So that means they are in a straight line. It means they are in a straight line. So that means they are in a one straight line. So one sea will be near of the lighthouse and another is the farther of the lighthouse. So the sea which is far from the foot of the lighthouse, the angle of elevation for this will be, angle of depression will be 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree, because angle of depression is measuring from the top of the lighthouse. Okay, 30 degree. So this line, first one, and this is our horizontal label. Okay, for the second shape, the angle of depression is 45. So that means horizontal label and the line of sight. This is our line of sight and it is the complete 45 degree. As this horizontal label and the label of the sea will be parallel to each other, so we can say angle CAP is equal to angle APB, 30 degree, 30 degree. The angle of by the alternate angle property, as AC and PB are parallel to each other. Now angle CAS, complete 45 degree, will be equal to ASB. This will be 45 degree. So now AB is representing the lighthouse. This is sea level. Distance between the two ships, x meter we are considering. The first ship 1 and ship 2, we are taking their names. Ship 2 from the lighthouse is y meter, at the y meter distance. So now we will apply first tangent tan theta in the triangle, right angle triangle ABS. So P and S representing the two ships in the sea. So now AB, the lighthouse, 75 meter. Ship 1 is at P point, ship 2 at point S. Distance between ship 1 and ship 2, PS I am considering as X. Ship 2 is Y meter away from the foot of the lighthouse. AC is the horizontal label, that is our AC label. AC, this is representing our horizontal label. C and PB are the parallel. P is the foot point of the lighthouse. Angle of depression of ship 1 from the from the top of the lighthouse is 30 degree. So by the alternate angle property, angle CAP is equal to APB, as I explained in the diagram already, why they are alternate angle. And the angle of depression for the ship 2, 45 degree. Both the angle will be equal by the alternate angle property. So now we will apply in triangle ABS 45 degree. So let's see which one is our angle. ABS. So tan 45 perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is 45, base is y. So it will be like this. P upon B, AB upon PS, 75 upon y. So y will be the 75, as the tan 45 will be equal to 1. Now in the triangle ABP, perpendicular, we are applying tan 30 degree, perpendicular 75 upon base. In this case, base will be x plus y. This complete will be PB will be our base. So x plus y. Okay. So now tan 30 degree, 75 upon x plus y, 1 upon root 3, value 30 degree, 75 upon x plus y. Cross multiplication, we are getting x is equal to 75 root 3 minus y, and the y of just we got it 75 meter. So now 75 I am taking common, root 3 minus 1. Okay. So the distance between the two ships in the sea is 75 bracket root 3 minus 1. So hope you have understand this question. In this question we have given two angle of depression. So bache, once you will draw the diagram, so it will be not a very big deal to simplify it. Means in every question, like every question you are applying tan 45, tan 60, means based on the, generally we have to find out the height of the tower, height of the building, and the distance between foot and the point, distance between two person. So generally we apply the 10 trigonometrical ratio of 10. Okay, so that's it.